If you're looking to create a freebie download page in LeadPages, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a simple yet effective page to grow your email list and share your freebie with ease. Stick around to the end because I've also got some alternatives that might serve your goals better and offer great free trials as well. So let's dive in. First things first, when you're in LeadPages, you'll want to start by creating a new landing page. Head over to the Create New Page section. Now you'll see a variety of templates. Select a template that suits your freebie download goal. For a freebie, you want a clean, straightforward design that highlights the value of your offer. So, keep it simple. I recommend looking at their lead magnet templates since they're optimized for just this kind of task. Next thing, you'll need to customize your page's content. This is where the magic happens. Click on the elements you want to change, like the headline or the button, and tweak them to match your branding. For the headline, you want to grab attention. It should be clear about what they're getting and how it will benefit them. You could say something like, download your free guide now, and keep it short. The third thing to focus on is the form. You'll need a form to capture their details, so go ahead and add one if it's not already included. Make sure the form asks for just the essentials, name and email address. The goal is to keep it simple and not scare people off with too many fields. The fewer the fields, the better the conversion rate, but don't forget to track at least their email so you can follow up with them later. Now, the fourth thing is the thank you page. Once someone submits their email, you want to redirect them to a thank you page where they can access the freebie download. Customize this page with a clear Download Now button and make sure the button links directly to your file. This step is crucial because it's the moment where the visitor gets their hands on what they wanted in the first place. Finally, let's talk about the bonus point, automating your follow-up. LeadPages allows you to set up integrations with email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit. This means you can automatically send an email with the download link right after they sign up. This gives a professional touch to your freebie page, increasing your chances of turning these leads into customers later. Now, I know LeadPages is a popular choice for landing pages, but let's be real, it can be pricey, especially if you're just getting started. Plus, their interface can feel a bit clunky at times, and the customization options aren't always as flexible as some other platforms out there. So, while LeadPages works well for creating your freebie download page, I've got to be honest with you, there are alternatives that might better suit your goals. I've got an exclusive offer for you in the description below, where you can get a free trial and exclusive benefits to one of the best competitors to LeadPages. This option gives you more flexibility, better pricing, and some bonus features that could really take your landing pages to the next level. If you want the best free trial, make sure you use the link in the description. You'll get access to the software with extended benefits and some unique features not available through other channels. Don't miss out. And remember, while LeadPages is good, the alternatives I've mentioned might be the better fit for your specific needs, and you can test them risk-free.